3D printing has come a long way. It's not just for tech geeks anymore. It's a real, practical tool to make money. So let's talk about a few business ideas that are not only smart, but also profitable, and how you can actually get customers and make it work. Number 1, prototyping services for startups. Every startup has an idea they want to bring to life, but not all of them have access to a 3D printer. That's where you come in. You can offer prototyping services for product designers, inventors, and students who are building something new. Post your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even in local entrepreneur Facebook groups. Show clear pricing, fast turnaround times, and some sample prints to gain trust. Offer different service levels too, like basic rough prototypes and premium polished versions. This can bring in solid income, especially from repeat clients. Number 2, replacement parts and tools. Have you ever lost a little part of something at home, like a clip or a knob, and couldn't find a replacement? That's your business idea right there. With a 3D printer, you can offer printed replacement parts for appliances, tools, or gadgets. Sell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even locally. Take requests from repair shops or DIY enthusiasts. Just keep a list of the most in-demand parts, things like fan knobs, curtain rod holders, or bike tool accessories, and you'll always have something to sell. Number 3, medical or educational models. This one's a little more niche, but seriously profitable. If you know how to print detailed models of the human body, scientific tools, or classroom aids, you can sell them to schools, universities, and even private clinics. Many medical students and teachers look for affordable, reusable 3D models to help with learning. Create a small catalog of items and contact local institutions or nursing students directly. You could even build a Shopify store just for this kind of product. Number 4, customized home decor and gifts. People love personalized things, and with a 3D printer, you can easily create custom wall art, nameplates, lamp holders, and cute home decorations that no one else has. This kind of business is perfect for birthdays, weddings, and housewarming gifts. Just open an Instagram page or set up an Etsy store. Take custom orders with names or special messages and deliver fast. You can even partner with local event planners or gift shops. And here's a bonus tip. Go with trending themes like anime, minimalist decor, or zodiac signs. They sell really well. Number 5, niche jewelry and fashion accessories. Here's a creative one. Fashion accessories. With the right filament and finishing, you can print stunning earrings, rings, bracelets, and even stylish belt buckles or hair clips. It's low cost to make, but if your designs are original and trendy, the profit margins can be huge. Start small. Create a collection around a theme, like nature, sci-fi, or Afro-futuristic patterns. Take clean photos and post them on Instagram or TikTok to catch attention. You can sell at local fashion pop-ups, online through Etsy, or partner with small boutiques looking for unique pieces. The beauty of a 3D printer is in how flexible it is. One machine, endless possibilities. You don't need a big shop or a huge team to start. Just a good idea, the right niche, and a focus on quality. So if you're serious about making money with a 3D printer in 2025, pick one of these ideas, start small, and build your brand from there. Because in today's world, creativity and the right tools can go a long way.